Alright, just got back from getting to some more metal. We got a material for doing some rock sliders. Still working on the back half. Well, we got a little bit there going. This is where we made it to last night. Up through here. Getting this all doctored up in here. We're going to plate the inside still on this one. Do some plates across here. So, alright, so we're going to gotta make another one of these for the plate. It goes, I'm going to put these on the inside of the frame rails where we've butt welded it up. Plug weld. But we'll clean these edges all up and stuff like that. We got to make another one. Those are going to go right in here. We're going to weld that up. We still got some welding to do before we put those in, but we're making them. We're getting them all doctored up. Here. These go up in here. Turn it around. I'm just going to box this frame in like such. Same thing over there. So. There we go. Now we have two. Alright, so we got our two front pieces of our rock sliders. So this is going to be our rock slider. We're going to take this square tube, kick it off the sides. So we got those cut at an angle for the front. Now it's time to take a piece of something, and build ends. Build some ends on it, cap that end. We got to cap the other end. Yeah, alright. Stuff is happening. Don't know if it's right or wrong, but stuff's happening. So, like, you can't ever find the light. I always got the door open. So, alright, we're still rolling. Alright, so you can get, okay, so you can kind of get an idea of what we're doing with our rock sliders here. You can kind of see what we're going to do. Made all our little end pieces that we got to fill up all the way around. Got all our little pieces cut. So what we're going to do, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to bend it, I'm going to cut it, wedge it out, bend it to where it comes down right here off of that, angle up and run straight back 90 degrees. So I think we're going to do with our rock sliders. But this kind of gives you an idea what we're going to do. So bend out, spend the time cutting. Cut. That's what you do. Cut, grind. Well, that gives you an idea. Kind of what I'm thinking. A little bit. It'll be a different look than what I have. So, yeah. Alright. So, what I've been doing today, this afternoon, it's kind of a cooler day. I have spent the afternoon cutting and grinding and making parts for boxing the frame in, gussets, cutting stuff for rock sliders, getting this stuff cut. Over here, finished boxing in the frame. So cutting plate out for spots, getting brackets, and just plugging away on all the little stuff that just kind of gets unseen. So that'll be like such. Put that up in there like that. This will go up in here. We gotta finish welding all this up, but no, I just spent the day cutting and making making plate, cutting it out. So just a little bit of stuff. Did some cleanup, picked some stuff up, moved some stuff, got it out of the way. Yeah, been making this stuff, plugging away on it. All that stuff you don't think about when you look at a build. There's a lot of it. I'm just barely scratching the surface on it. So, all right, man.